Love of Alola. Golem has a new form? Amazing. I've got to tell someone about this.
I can't hear you! Oh!
One thing about Golem is that his special weapon is this cannon on his back. Golem's special ability is this cannon on his back. It allows him to project missiles. Alexa, play Hey All You People by SpongeBob.
Amazing. I've got to tell someone about this. Hey, all you people. Hey, all you people. Hey, all you people, won't you listen to me? I just had a sandwich. No ordinary sandwich. A sandwich filled with jellyfish jelly.
So I've tried this before.
Hey, man, you've got to try this sandwich. It's no ordinary sandwich. It's the tastiest sandwich in the sea. A skibbity hoobers, I believe you, wabba doobity bow, yeah. Thank you.
Like I mentioned before, I should have told you, Golem's special weapon has... Golem's special feature is more than just the beard on his upper half, but also he has this cannon on his back that shoots boulders whenever he's under attack. His attacks are Rock Throw, Steamroller, Heavy Slam, Charge, Rock Polish. I think there are other attacks, something that involves... Oh, here it is. It's called Rock Blast. There we are. That's what it's called. Alexa, what is an asteroid?
According to Wikipedia, an asteroid is a space rock. It is a small object in the solar system that travels around the sun. It is like a planet but smaller. They range from very small to 600 miles across. A few asteroids have asteroid moon.
There we are, folks. That's how you draw a golem.